Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write stories and poems using Gemini 2.0. So first of all, let me delete this one. Go to your Gemini 2.0, okay? And whether you are looking for inspiration or need help crafting creative content, Gemini 2.0 can generate amazing stories and poems based on your ideas. So the first step, provide Gemini with a creative prompt. For stories, you can specify the genre, characters, setting, and tone. For poems, you can provide themes, emotions, and stylistic preferences. For example, provide your prompt now with Gemini 2.0. Right? You can just type write a short fantasy story about a young hero discovering their magical magical yeah magical powers in an ancient forest. The tone should be adventurous, with sense of wonder. And this is for poem, right? Or sorry, for story. And excuse me, for poem, what you're gonna do, you can type write a poem about the feeling of nostalgia, 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 nostalgia during autumn, right? With melancholic yet hopeful tone. And once you type for your story or poem, you're gonna be able to hit enter, and they're gonna create a story and a poem. Right? There is the right here the short story, right? And you got the autumn's embrace right here, which is the poem. Okay? And review and refine. You can always refine the story or poem by asking Gemini for more details, such as expanding on a character or adding more vivid descriptions. If you want more structured poem, you could ask, uh, can you write the poem in the style of haiku, for example, right? And Gemini will adjust accordingly, producing the poem in the requested format. Okay, and basically you can now personalize and experiment. If you want to take it step further, personalize the story or poem, or even more, you can tell Gemini to incorporate specific names, settings, or events, like make the hero's hero's name Alex, and set the story in a medieval medieval castle, for example, right? And Gemini will adjust and create a unique version based on your story. And if that this is for the short fantasy, because I wrote two stories. Okay, and that's how you can write stories and poems using Gemini 2.0. Whether you need inspiration, a starting point, or a fully fleshed out piece of creative writing, Gemini can help you bring your ideas to life. I wrote down two basic two stories, right? One is a poem, and the other one is a short story, and I made the refining and made it different, right? You can see right here, I wrote down the short story, the short fantasy story, or the narrative, and I wrote down the poem, right? So I wrote both. You can select whichever narrative that you prefer to create using Gemini 2.0, and whether you need inspiration, starting point, or fully fleshed out piece of creative writing, Gemini can help bring your ideas to life. Try it out for your own creative projects and let me know in the comments how it helped you write something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more writing tips. See you in the next one.